Welcome to PBL Simplified for Teachers. I'm Ryan Stoyer, Executive Director of Magnify Learning. I just want to thank you for being on this journey with us. We were so excited to be in your inbox to start your morning with us with tips, resources, and inspiration for your project-based learning journey. And that's the feedback that you've been giving us. And man, we really appreciate that. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, but also reach out. We want to hear from you. We love hearing what need to knows you want us to address in the next video. We love hearing that the inspiration's hitting at just the right point too. We also love the comment of, hey, this is really great, but how do I slingshot past all of this? I don't want to wait 52 weeks to springboard my PBL journey, and we've got a couple options for you. One of them is to get my book. I wrote this book called Project-Based Learning, Stories and Structures. It's filled with wins, fails, and a place to start, because none of this is perfect. And we love to learn through stories. So for every chapter, there's a win story, there's a fail story, and there's a place for you to start right there. And right now, you can actually, if you go into the description, you'll see a link where you can buy the book, and then you get a free course where I walk you through each chapter of the book to help you build that first PBL unit or expand on one that you've already created. So that's a great place to start as an extension from these videos. Another way you'll want to get in deeper is jump into an open workshop, a PBL Jumpstart or a PBL Advanced, depending on your expertise at this point. Wherever you're at, you need to get with other PBLers. We love the collaborative piece. It happens in person or virtual. We found the feedback says it happens in both places because we're using protocols, we're walking through the PBL process as we learn about it. You actually leave that PBL Jumpstart or Advanced, that open workshop with the PBL unit completely planned out. You've been through the entry event, you've been through the structures, the scaffolding, and then at the end you've even presented. So you know exactly what PBL feels like and how you can communicate that to your learners. And you've gotten to ask every single question you could possibly think of. You ask a question, our facilitators create a workshop for it. And our facilitators are rock stars. They're PBL certified. They're in the classroom right now doing PBL. If you're an elementary school facilitator, we're going to put you with an elementary facilitator. If you're secondary, we're going to put you with a secondary facilitator so that you're talking boots on the ground and boots on the ground. That's why the boots are always up on the shelf there. So these are a couple ways that you can jump in and springboard or slingshot through the PBL Simplified series to boost your PBL journey, because we want to help you engage your learners, tackle boredom, and transform your classroom.